watching videos and I got the Skinwalker alert. When my teacher didn't believe me, he's still watching, talking to someone. I just hide my pets and hide the speaker. It's hide here. It's hiding the speaker and they're quiet so that's why my pet's scared. First, we got my slime and my shark. Some lights. Wait, my favorite toys. Why do I love them? Let me put my things right over here. So, oh. Do you see my things? I didn't see them. You didn't see them. It's a prank. I think you didn't see them. I think I see them. Wait, what should I get here? I'm scared now. I think a brush? No. I need food and water. What, we're gonna get water.
Tinanong ko kasi sinasabi mo ano dito. Dumaan naman ako dyan kanina, sir. Kasi dyan talaga baba ako MRT. Kaya ngayon nasa bayan na kasi
It's my
MRT.
17th day at school and I'm scared. So I'm just gonna put my things here first. Let's get the food.
Masama pa nga yung pakiramdam ko sir, ma'am.
Marshmallows?
Sino mo lang sa bahay?
Marshmallows. Cookies. I got a Filipino cookies that is named Cremo. Even I have a butter coconut. Coconut, what I open the lights. Yeah. And the water. Let me put this plushie away.